Let's take this problem where we have to prove that sine 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta is tan theta, right? Now here, instead of sine 2 theta and cos 2 theta, we will have to use these particular formulas. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sine square theta. There are three formulas here, right? There are three formulas, right? One is cos square theta minus sine square theta. One is 2 cos square theta minus 1. The other one is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. And there is one more with respect to tan, right? We don't have to use tan here, right? We can use cos and sine. So, now three formulas are there. This one, this one, this one, right? I'll take this formula first, right? I'll take this formula first and then we'll use this formula also and check. See, this is the advantage of trigonometry. You can use formulas and find your own way of deriving it. Now, so I'm using this particular formula now. What will happen? Instead of sine 2 theta, I put 2 sine theta cos theta. Instead of cos 2 theta here, I have cos square theta minus sine square theta, and there is 1 here. Now, I can write 1 as cos square theta plus sine square theta, right? Because cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. So instead of 1, I'll write this, right? Now what will happen? You have minus sine square theta plus sine square theta. This will get cancelled. Then you're left with 2 cos square theta, right? So you'll get 2 sine theta cos theta by 2 cos square theta. Cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So you'll be left with sine theta by cos theta. What is sine theta by cos theta? Tan theta. So this is equal to RHS. So we have proven that this particular expression is equal to tan theta. Now we'll go with the alternate method, or we'll use this particular formula. Let's use this formula, right? Let's go to method 2. Now what I've done, sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta, I'll use this formula, right? 2 cos square theta minus 1, I'll use this. Now what will happen? You'll get, let's do this, 1 and 1 will get cancelled here. You'll be left with 2 cos square theta. Now, one of the cos thetas will get cancelled, right? And 2 will get cancelled. So you'll be left with sine theta by 1 cos theta, which is tan theta, which is equal to RHS. So we have proven this, right? We have proven this. See, now both the methods using different formulas for cos 2 theta, we got the same answer, right? The reason I'm giving multiple methods is, in case you forget, don't get stuck. Proceed with whatever you know and then try to figure out the steps. Now let's try method 3, right? Here we use 2 cos square theta minus 1 as cos 2 theta. Now I'll use 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Let's just try out, right? Instead of cos 2 theta, I'll use 1 minus 2 sine square theta, right? So what will happen? I'll get 2 minus 2 sine square theta, because 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 sine square theta. I'll take 2 as a common factor. I'll get 1 minus sine square theta. Now what do? 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what I'll do is, I'll get sine theta cos theta by, what is 1? 1 is sine square theta. I can write 1 as sine square theta plus cos square theta, right? And then I'll have minus sine square theta. Now what will happen? Sine square theta and sine square theta will get cancelled. I am left with sine theta into cos theta by cos square theta. 1 cos theta and 1 cos theta will get cancelled. I am left with sine theta by cos theta, which is tan theta, which is RHS. So folks, I've tried all three formulas. That is all three formulas for cos 2a, right? There are three formulas for cos 2a. I've used all. First one is cos square theta minus sine square theta. Second one is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Third one is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. With all this, I got same answer. So the reason I'm making all these problems, it might appear that I'm making the problems very lengthy for you, but when you're solving the problems, we can think anyway, right? We can use any formula. We might get stuck thinking what to use, right? Just go ahead with whatever you remember and then figure out the steps. One thing you'll have to note, instead of 1, we can always write sine square theta plus cos square theta. If you do that, then the problems becomes easier.